What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ace of Shaq, and we're back with another reaction straight away. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Right now, we have Tank Virtual Session. Now, Tank, if you didn't know, is the theme to Cowboy Bebop. I've been watching Cowboy Bebop recently with a few friends. And it's a really good series. I really love it. It's really 90s. Like, if you lived during the 90s, you would definitely love Cowboy Bebop. It's really chilled and relaxed, and it's really dope, and the theme is flipping great. So they apparently done a session in April to the theme, so we're gonna check it out. I'm excited. I love the theme to Cowboy Bebop, so let's just do this. All right, boom. I'm ready. Uh-oh. Got a whole drum set out here. Eee. My guy. Let me turn this up right now. Uh-oh. Two. Woo! Uh-oh. Dum 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 dum. Woo! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's jam. Oh, I got one. Okay. Let me not say nothing. Uh-oh. What? Hey! Woo! Woo! Sounds so good. Woo! So good. I wanna hear the solo. I wanna hear if they're gonna do the solo. Woo! Hey! Come on! Yeah! Kill it! Woo! Yeah, you know he's killing it too. Hey! That should have put me in the shadow. Woo! You killing it, bro. He killing this solo, bro. Woo! He killing this solo. What? Hey! Woo! Yes! Woo! You know what I like about that? Every instrument is important in that performance. Every instrument is important. I like that. That's what I'm talking about. Cowboy Bebop Guys, if you haven't seen Cowboy Bebop, make sure you check it out. A lot of people know Cowboy Bebop, but a lot of people haven't seen it. It's a really, really dope anime. Make sure you guys definitely check that out. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of the live performance. I thought that was really, really dope. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. But for now, I've been your boy Ace of Shaq, and you guys have been my players. Peace, people.